In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an org chart in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right template and how to bring it into your workspace so you can map roles and reporting lines quickly and clearly. Start inside ClickUp by opening the workspace and, more specifically, the list where you want the org chart to live. This matters because the template content will be added to the list you're viewing, so pick the location you want your chart and related items to reside. Next, look for the three dots menu, the ellipsis near the list name or in the top right of the list view. That menu holds extra actions for this location. Click it to open the options panel, then choose templates. This takes you to ClickUp's template tools so you can reuse proven layouts instead of starting from scratch. From there, select Browse Templates. That opens the full template library where you can search and filter to find exactly what you need. If you see any filters already applied, change the template type selector to show all template types. This ensures you don't accidentally hide chart options behind a filter and miss the one we're after. In the search bar, type chart. This narrows the library to anything chart related. You should now see the option for an organizational chart. Click that template to view its details. You can skim the preview to confirm the structure fits your use case. Templates like this usually include a starter hierarchy you can adapt to your team, which saves loads of time and gives everyone a consistent format. When you're ready, click Use Template. This begins the import process. Depending on your setup, ClickUp may show you options like what to include, where to place the template, or whether to pull in any sample data. Keep the defaults if you're unsure. Everything can be adjusted later. To finish, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will add the organizational chart into your selected list. Give it a moment to load. Once it's there, you'll be able to review the hierarchy, expand sections, and prepare it for your team. If you don't see the template appear, double check that you were in the correct list and that you have permission to add templates. That's all you need to bring an org chart into ClickUp using the template library. From here, you can tailor roles and titles, refine the structure, and share it with stakeholders so everyone understands the reporting lines. Thanks for watching and enjoy building a clear, up-to-date org chart in ClickUp.